In couple minutes I'm going to share with you how to remove an alternator on your favorite Ford old body style 5 liters V8. Let's get started. Our alternator is located on the right side of the engine, right at the top, so easy to get there. And first we have to disconnect the negative battery cable. Okay, put 17mm socket on a belt tensioner bolt. Let's release the tension like that and take the belt off the pulleys. Guys, if you first time to the channel, please subscribe, click that notification bell, very appreciated that. Alright, now 9/16 range to remove upper alternator bolt. Bolt is out. We have one more long bolt on the bottom of the alternator, and if you have any questions, comments, put them down in the comment section below. Here we go, bolt is removed. Nice. Wiggle it a little bit up and down, and here we go, long bolt. Okay, let's remove the alternator from the alternator engine bracket, and we have two electrical connectors to disconnect. Let's undo the top one first. Just pry that plastic top carefully with a flat screwdriver and pull the alternator connector up. Here we go, one is removed, and let's disconnect the main connector. And if this video is helpful, please put a thumbs up, very appreciated that. There's the two tabs on both sides, do one, pull it, and another one, easy as you can see. And yep, old body style Ford, very easy to work, they're nice trucks. And yeah, alternator is removed and installation is opposite to removal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.